Guys, you need to join this kind of airdrop, gold burst boat. Okay, let's reveal the daily combo of gold burst boat. Click mine. The combo today is DRC20, Bone, and Anthony. This one. Okay, Bone. Where's the Bone? Trump. We need this one. We need to level up the Trump influencer. Trump level 12. I need to level up to level 12 Trump before I get the Bone. Okay. Nine, 10, 12. Okay, we got the Bone now. Refresh it. Reload. Click me. Then go down here. Already unlocked. Okay, go ahead. Okay, we got 30. Now go to influencer again. Find the Trump meme. Trump card. This one. Okay. Okay. We got the oh Anthony. I don't know. Where's Anthony here? Sorry guys. The third one is Anthony. Not Trump. I miss it. Anthony. Where's Mr. Anthony? Got it wrong. Anthony. This one. We need to label up. Level 11. Adam. So we got the wrong level up. The requirements of Trump. Okay, we got Adam level 11. Then this one, Anthony. The last combo, guys. Oh, I don't have sufficient balance. So I need to wait to become 2,500 coins to get this Anthony. That is the third card, guys. So I need to wait first. 2,500. My profit per hour now is 53k. So if you want to join my link, guys. Just like Hamster Combat. See, you can tap here if you want. Okay, click the earns tab and join here, and a lot of coins rewarded here. Okay. Oh, we have 27 now. So need to unlock. Need to get the Anthony. Okay, I got it. We got the combo, guys. Okay.